Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8, video number 66, comparing quantities, section C, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. State true or false. Now there are three sub-questions in this. So let's start with each one. A shopkeeper bought a cycle for rupees 1200 and sold it for rupees 1500. Then his gain percentage is 25%. Okay, let's check. Here 1200 bought, sold for 1500, so profit equals to 300, cost price equals to 1200. Profit percentage, what is required? Gain percentage. Gain means profit, so profit percentage is always calculated on cost price, so that's why gain percentage equals to gain upon cost price into 100. So 3 ones are and 3 what 4s are 4, then 4 ones are 4, 25 are 25%. Next, so the answer is true. Next 200 kg of sugar was purchased at a rate of rupees 15 per kg and sold at 5% profit. Then the selling price of the sugar is rupees 16 per kg. We have to find it true or false. Here cost price is given. This 200 kg has no meaning because we want it per kg only. So cost price is 15 per kg. Okay. So 5% on rupees 15. Here profit is 5%. Cost price is 15 rupees. So we have to find the selling price. So 5% on 15 means 5 upon 100 into 15, right? Equals to 0.75. So this is the profit. So selling price will be what? Cost price plus profit. So SP equals to cost price plus profit. So 15 plus 0.75, that is 15.75. But what is given? 16 per kg. So this is false. Next, a person sells an article for rupees 550. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.